What do you think of hainanese chicken with laksa at Hawker Chan?
I'm having an early dinner. I tried their set tray beef. It's hainanese chicken with laksa. I haven't tried laksa yet. You know what? I think I'm gonna move to there, where there's window. Doon tayo. That was one of view of the outside. Kaya dito lumipat ako. Although, hindi ganun kalamig dito. Medyo mainit. Grabe ang init. Grabe ang init since this morning. I don't know, maybe it's gonna rain again. Katulad kahapon. We had a severe thunderstorm. Nag-brown out sa place na tinutuluyan ko. I think 2 or 3 times. Inubat ko yung polo shirt ko. Gawa ng sobra talaga ang init. I thought I'd stay here muna in Gateway, Kulog. I was at Trinoma earlier, but I thought, it might rain. So, it's better to be close at home, right? Lalo na pagka naging malakas ang ulan. Right now, calm naman. But, I don't know, maybe later. We never know. Just like yesterday, right? I wish I'm at home right now. There's a place na tinutuluyan ko dahil mas malakas ang aircon nun. It's more comfortable, and I'm also kind of sleepy now. I feel like I always have a jet lag. Antok-antok parada. Grabe, pawis na pawis yung likuran ko. Ay, I'm just waiting for my food. It'll take 20 to 25 minutes daw, so we'll see. So the only drawback to having this view, you sacrifice the coolness dun sa bandaro ng konti. Tsaka yan, may hangin dyan, yan. And also malapit sa CR, pero wala namang mamoy so it's still okay. Pagkakanto mainit talagang para ako nalalata. I feel so tired and sleepy. Ayoko kasi ng puro mga tao na pipita mo doon, lalakaran. Tapos nag-solo pa ako, right? Walang tumabi sa akin, walang join for lunch. Ay, nako. That's the ano ba yun? Yun ang ng solo traveler. So ito na yung in-order natin. This is the hainanese chicken with laksa. Yan. Merong konting vegetables. May konting uchi, marinated egg, at saka yung sauce ng hainanese chicken and the hainanese rice. And it also comes with, I thought it comes with iced tea. Apparently, cola, soda. And who cares? Comes with it. So, unahin muna natin itong toge. More miss na miss. bok choy. Tanggalin natin yung kalamansi. Now we'll just leave the chili here. Yan. So, wala naman talagang meat, I think. Yung laksa, it has toge and 1 piece of green beans. Okay naman yung taste niya. Bigyan ko na pala. Ito ang favorite ko when I was living in the US. Dahil sa Chinese grocery store, marami na ito. Actually, even in Canada, mabibili mo ito sa TNT. Yeah. For the price of this whole, pwede na rin, 379. So, maubos na itong video. Ubusin na rin natin itong toge. Gulay. Lumapit tayo ng konti dyan sa CR. Pero, ayan pa rin ang view natin. Pero lumayo tayo ng konti sa CR. Kasi dito, medyo may ng hangin, aircon, right? So, yun lang. Babush. The next.